What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to another video slash another vlog. Today's video is going to be kind of a little bit of everything. We have a fun weekend planned. So of course, as you guys saw, I went to the gym, just got back, cleaned up, got fresh. I have a proper outfit on right now as I'm ready to head out the door because we're going to do, like I said, just a lot of everything that I've been meaning to do. I just recently got COVID. I was like literally going through it and now I'm definitely feeling better. I tested negative, so we are on the up. We're feeling better. We got some thrifting planned. We have to, of course, shoot this outfit. I definitely want to get some boba because it's been a minute. And like I said, I just kind of want to take you guys along the weekend and share with you guys what I get up to. So before we head out the door and we go ahead and shoot this outfit, I wanted to actually share with you guys a exciting unboxing for these said sneakers that I'll be wearing with this outfit. The Balenciaga sneakers that I'll be unboxing today is courtesy of FARFETCH. Today's video is in partnership with them, so shout out to FARFETCH for just always showing me love and partnering with me to create these amazing videos for you guys. So of course, with a brand new FARFETCH sponsored video comes a updated discount code for you guys. So go ahead and check out the FARFETCH website. It's definitely a new year. Go ahead and treat yourself to something nice, and if you guys want a nice little discount off of that said thing, go ahead and check out my discount code. I'll have links to the sneakers that I'll be talking about along with the discount code in the description box down below. All right, so this is the said Balenciaga sneakers that I'll be unboxing today. I wanted to show you guys the box because I of course thought that the ribbon on the box was a nice little touch. So let's go ahead and take the ribbon off and then I'll show you guys what's of course inside the said box. Okay, this might be harder than I thought. I'll be right back. So we got the ribbon off of the box, so let's go ahead and open it up. These right here are the Balenciaga runner sneakers in the burgundy, gray, and white colorway. As you can see, it comes with a nice little dust bag. I love that Balenciaga always does that. So we'll go ahead and obviously put that to the side. And then it has that nice iconic gray packaging. Nice little Balenciaga little thing there. And then open up some more. Ooh, dude, these go crazy. So I'm just gonna hold up one, so we'll put this down and then we'll get to it. As you guys can see from the B-roll shots as well as the product images that I'll share with you guys, it is definitely an interesting shoe and I feel like that's what I really like about it and that's why I gravitated so heavily towards it. I feel like I personally really like that worn in kind of mix of distressed materials and I personally just love all of the other Balenciaga shoes and sneakers that I have. As you guys know, if you've been following me for some time now, I've had a wide assortment and a really nice handful of like different colorways, different silhouettes, and this one right here is their newer version from like their newer season. This shoe right here, again, the Balenciaga runner, does come in a ton of other colors. I really like the all white version as well as the blue, silver, and white colorway, and I'll be sure to throw up those photos as well. So I feel like if you're in the market for a really interesting looking shoe that again is a little bit different, is a little bit more out there, and is definitely 100% a banger, these sneakers right here, again courtesy of FARFETCH, is definitely a hit. As you guys can see, it almost kind of looks like it's constructed of a bunch of different materials and a bunch of different like distressed, almost kind of like recycled materials, which I really like. It has the nice sizing a little bit at the front, which I think is a nice touch. Features some nice mesh detailing around. I feel like I don't have a pair of sneakers like this that looks already distressed. And it's definitely not everyone's cup of tea, but nonetheless, I personally really like it. So I think if you guys like my style and if you like kind of more interesting sneakers, this is definitely one to check out. Overall, FARFETCH has definitely become like over the years, even before my partnerships with them, they have definitely kind of been like my go-to site for all things luxury, designer, even like the more affordable end stuff as well, because they have a wide assortment of brands on their platform. So with all that being said, I'm super excited to start wearing these. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and then we'll head out the door. Obviously gonna go shoot these photos, so you'll see that over on my Instagram. Definitely be sure to follow me over there if you aren't already. And yeah, overall 10 out of 10. I'm really excited to kind of style these up and see the kind of outfits that I can put together with this. So of course, this will be linked down below in the description box along with my discount code. And shout out once again to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video, blessing me with these banger sneakers and just always coming through for you guys with that discount code. So yeah, much love and let's get on with the vlog. All right, what is up, you guys? So we just pulled up to the favorite spot. This is like the go-to.
This is, yeah.
Yeah, so I just finished shooting my outfit. So the way it usually works is I stand like right here and then Kia just kind of does her thing with my camera or like my phone. She's been kind of getting into shooting her own stuff. So go ahead and follow her on Instagram. I'll put it like right here. or like right here somewhere. So yeah, show them. Well, this is my outfit. So yeah, so we're gonna shoot and then we're gonna go thrifting, and then we'll just kind of see where the day goes. So let's get it. I feel like I've been really wanting some new oversized blazers, and I've been really wanting a navy blue one, so this one's really nice. I also love coming to the thrift for just like more unique pieces like this. Even like this is really nice, and like more textured pieces like this. So good. Okay, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be recording in here, but I don't give a fuck. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I only got 2 things. Kealani picked up some good stuff too. So as you saw earlier, like when we were back there, I picked up this like navy blue oversized blazer, which I love. And then look at this. I picked up this really like oversized, kind of like jacket, overshirt sort of vibe, but I love the tones. I feel like this styled right is gonna look so nice, and it's giving me like all the Balenciaga vibes. This is $12.49, and then this is also $12. Babe, you wanna show them what you got? So just so far, just for now.
Okay, so I found this, oh no, tangles. I found this black, it was in the blazer section, and it's kind of like a blazer, but it's also kind of the length where it's like a light, it's a really nice simple piece that I'll be able to pair with a lot of things. And then I just found this kind of
That's nice.
brown pant. I need to check if it's gonna fit. I think it will.
It's like a chocolate brown.
Yes, but I recently discovered how to hem my own pants. And the pants that I'm wearing today, I act like you can see them, but the pants I'm wearing today, I hemmed myself. So I thrifted these for $1. $1, and I hemmed them myself, and look how nice they are.
Tell me you're excited to eat.
I know, right?
I look like a marshmallow. I look like the
Michelin Man.
Yeah, the thing that moves in the thing. Alright, anyways. We're back in the car. We just had lunch. That was so good.
Oh, we haven't had ramen like that in a while,
Yeah.
so.
And then we obviously, per usual, had to get boba. This is from Meat Fresh. This is another place that I've been... Do you like it? I feel like I like it. Okay. We both been liking it, so cheers.
Cheers. Kia
said that we should make drinking boba and catching up with you guys a little like... What are you calling it? Like a series?
Yeah, like a talk series.
within the vlogs, because that's like what we tend to do. But I wanted to turn on the vlog, obviously, just to check in to the vlog. But I also kind of wanted to take this time before we start driving, because I'm kind of full, so I needed a little break. But I wanted to kind of update you guys on like some stuff that's been happening, like just in life, because it's been a while since my last vlog. And if you haven't watched my last vlog, definitely do so, because that's the vlog that I talk about like going back to school and why I decided to go back to school and all that stuff. And shout out to you guys for like all the love on that video. But a couple other updates in addition to that is we just recently got COVID. We're fine now.
Yeah, so we had COVID for almost 2 weeks, I would say. Obviously, we wouldn't be out getting boba if we still had COVID, so we're good now. We tested negative. It's fine. That was the sickest I have ever seen Stevie. So
like she said, we're fine now. So I'm finally getting back to work and kind of like catching up on all the stuff that I had to do. Some other updates. School has been going really good. I've been killing it. I have an A currently in the class, so it's only one class. So, I mean, I would hope to have an A if you only have one class, but I'm doing pretty good. There's like sometimes it's like kind of hard, but I don't know. I feel like I'm picking it up, so school's been good. Any updates from you? We told them that you're gonna start uploading more on your Instagram, so again, follow her here.
Yes, I'm gonna start. I know you guys ask sometimes, like, does she have her own channel? Stevie says people will ask, like, if I have my own YouTube or would want to start mine, and I just don't know. Or they just
ask of you frequently.
Yeah. I just don't know if I have the time or want to commit to a whole channel right now, but I am going to post more on my personal Instagram, so follow me.
Yeah. It was just kind of like a natural thing, right? Because it just would make more sense too, because she already helps me shoot my content, so and she's already wearing an outfit while she's helping me shoot, so it's like you might as well just get some content too. And you've been enjoying it, right? Yeah, I'm definitely still getting used to posing. I feel like you've been getting better
in front of the camera. I've been getting better because I'd be looking at other people, you know, for inspo and stuff.
She's been taking my creative direction.
Sure. What else? I'm not in school, but I am working on my next career move, which is to be determined. Let's say that.
Well, we have the vlog, so we'll obviously like update you guys and stuff. But wish her like all the best in the comments, and you're gonna do great.
Thank you.
I guess like the last and final update before we start driving is my homie Roosevelt is coming into town in a couple of weeks. If you guys have been following me for some time, I'm trying to find my keys. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Here it is. I had to put a fucking AirTag on my keys.
That's an update for us.
Anyways, like I was saying, if you've been following me for some time now, you would know that a couple years ago I went to New York Fashion Week with my homie Roosevelt, and it was his first time in New York. So that same homie is going to be coming to visit us in Seattle, and we have like this whole itinerary planned and stuff, so it's definitely going to be a good time. And I haven't seen him ever since that New York trip, obviously because of COVID and stuff, so it's always a good time when he's here, and I'm super excited to see him. So you will see him, and I'm gonna do like a big ass like February recap vlog, so stay tuned for that. And he and I have like very similar styles, so if you guys like my style, you'll like him, and we'll obviously show you like what we're wearing and stuff, so that's gonna be fun. We have a ton of fun stuff planned, and so like I said, stay tuned for that vlog. And we're gonna head home now because we have to obviously take care of the pups. Aiko and Mari have been doing just fine. They're growing up.
Oh yeah, that's another update.
I don't think I shared it. Obviously we'll start driving, but I didn't share it. But Mari a couple months ago, or not even a couple months ago, that was like in November, right?
Yeah.
In November, Mari turned 1, and now it's February, and Aiko's about to turn 1. So they're definitely growing up, and I think that's all the updates. So we didn't cheers. That's like the part of.
Shit.
Oh, cheers to what are we cheersing to? Cheers to not having COVID. That's what I want to cheers. Cheers to not having COVID. Cheers to you getting.
I was gonna say cheers to both of us making moves for our careers.
And our future, and our life, and cheers to the dogs because we love them so much. And cheers to you guys for watching. if you're watching us doing this, you're a real one. Cheers. You gotta cheers them. Cheers.